Hey everyone, it's Shannon, and this is my video to show you blood flow through the heart. Just a quick disclaimer, the only color that has any significance is the blood that flows through the heart and then back into it, just so you know. All right, so blood enters the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium, and then it travels through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. And then blood flows from the right ventricle through the pulmonary valve, this green semilunar valve right there. And then it flows into the pulmonary trunk, and it follows that. And blood flows to the right lung through this right here is the pulmonary artery. Again, this is just the blood. And then that goes into the lungs. And then while blood flows through the lungs, it gains oxygen and loses CO2. And then blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium right here. And then it flows through the bicuspid valve, or the left AV valve, into the left ventricle. And blood flows from the left ventricle through the aortic valve right here, and then flows into the aorta. I have another little diagram right here. So again, starting through the superior vena cava into the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, into the right ventricle, through the pulmonary valve, into the pulmonary trunk, and then it flows from the pulmonary artery into the lungs, and blood gains oxygen from the lungs and flows through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium, flows through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle, which then goes into the aortic valve, and blood then flows into the aorta. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and we'll see you in class.